I'm glad it's happened because it's happened to a lot of learners. Okay.
What? Tell me.
Yes, I will tell you.
Should I have stopped?
No, you should not have stopped. Don't worry about it. We will going to park up and then we'll talk about it. This is important information for you, really. I'm glad it's happened because it's happened to a lot of learners, but I was expecting you to do better, especially your theory test coming up. As you were approaching, did you saw any warning sign?
Give way.
So there was a warning sign there, but did you saw the content? What was the message inside the sign?
I didn't see it. No.
That's a problem. So on the left side, there was a triangle sign there.
Yeah, I didn't see a triangle.
You didn't see that. That's why it's important, because you were looking on the floor. But if you remember my first ever lesson, what did I say to you? Your eyes are looking at this level, scanning the bigger picture, isn't it? Yeah. So there was a sign there telling you the road is bending, so you're following the road.
I did see it.
Or there was a small knob sticking out.
Yeah, I saw it. The rounding and that.
Means if you want to go, there is a left turning.
Yeah.
Now, there was a van driver was coming. He stopped. Rightly so. Why do you think he stopped?
Because he saw me come in.
So he saw you coming and we were not indicating, isn't it? What message were we sending to him that where are we going?
Well, he wasn't indicating straight ahead.
So you're following the
road.
So he stopped because he have got to give a line to give us the way because it's our road. But what we did instead?
We just carried on.
No, we took the left turn without signaling, without checking your mirrors.
Right.
Now, obviously, again, because it's a quiet time, if there would have been any car behind you, they're going to be very annoyed because for their point of view, because as you took this left turning, you're supposed to be checking your mirrors and signal, and because you slow down, if somebody behind you would have to do quite
brake.
That's it. There's always a risk, and so please look for the signs as well. It's on a video now. Watch it and then you will understand this very